Hello दोस्तों, welcome to the IIT Mumbai University. Today we will discuss about the C++ object oriented programming language compiler. Basically we have to find out the online compiler, which is five different website which is discussed in this video. So this website can help you a lot for to develop and run the program which is given in a BSCIT Mumbai. This is C++ object oriented programming language. The first website is as tutorialspoint.com. In this website we have got the execute and suppose I've added the that hashtag include the conio.h, so didn't get rid that so that error. So after that I can put on remove the that conio.h, and I'll add the BSCIT Mumbai University, and after that I can execute it. So it will show the perfect output like hello world BSCIT Mumbai University. And the second website is called CodeSafe. The CodeSafe website will be given here, and basically their compiler is on the browser, and this browser and a simple compiler which is used by you, and there you can choose the C++ version, which version you are using now. And after the sign up you can express you need to the sign up about if you are running your program, if you want to run your program. So according to that you need to add your particular account details like login and that. The third website is C++ cell. This is the called C++ cell website, cpp.sh, and this is a very simple and effective programming browser which is available online. And here I'll add these things, and this program is already made of them using the function. And what is your name? Dharmendra. My name is already Dharmendra, so I'll input it out and I'll get the output, desired output. And after that I'll put the BSCIT Mumbai University. Then also we'll get that the same address, which is BSCI Mumbai University. Then they will show you the hello BSCIT Mumbai University after the executing the program. So this is the basically the C++ cell. And our fourth website is called Replit. Replit is one of the best website on the internet. Actually they will be charged some amount of that's because they have the very vast amount of, you can use like a C++ object orientation, and you can use like web development, full stack development, even you can use for Python, even you can each and every languages they are supporting. And this is a very good, and they also give you the code snippets. So this website is very awesome, but you need to sign up before using it. And once you'll sign up that, this is not a promotion, I'll just take it out the top five videos, top five website which is help to you for your running on C++ program. So the last one of the finest last website, which is the my favorite online GDB, which is you can easily run your program, and this is the not very lengthy and very processed website, and it will be also show your the shortcut of the that particular program you are written here. So you can suppose you can write these things in here, so you can run it. And also you have got the idea hello world BSCIT Mumbai University. So you have got the perfect idea about this website. These five website I can repeat again. First one is tutorials point, second one is CodeSafe, third one is C++ cell, fourth one is Replit, fifth one is online GDB. And you can use the both five website for your personal users purpose. Thanks.